Did you know that iron deficiency can manifest in 20 different ways? That's right, the world's most common nutritional disorder, iron deficiency, has a wide range of symptoms that can affect us in ways we might not even realize. From fatigue to strange cravings, this silent health threat can significantly impact our everyday lives. In fact, it's so prevalent that it affects over 2 billion people worldwide. That's nearly a quarter of the world's population. Understanding these symptoms is the first step in identifying and tackling this widespread health issue. Today we're going to delve into the fascinating world of iron deficiency, exploring each symptom in detail. We'll uncover the mysteries behind these symptoms and shed light on the ways our bodies signal us when our iron levels are low. So if you've ever wondered why you're feeling unusually tired or why you have that inexplicable craving for ice, you're in the right place. Stay tuned, you might be surprised by some of these symptoms. First on our list is fatigue, a common but often overlooked symptom. Imagine feeling drained day in and day out, regardless of how much sleep you get. You're not just tired, it's as if you've run a marathon without even leaving your house. That's the level of exhaustion we're talking about, and it's a classic sign of iron deficiency. Iron is essential for producing hemoglobin, a protein in your red blood cells that enables them to carry oxygen around your body. Without enough iron, your body can't produce enough of this vital substance, leading to fatigue. Next up is pale skin. This isn't about losing your summer tan, it's a noticeable paleness that often affects the entire body. This happens because without enough iron, your body can't produce enough hemoglobin, leading to a decrease in red blood cells. The result? A paler complexion that's far from the healthy glow we all strive for. The third symptom is shortness of breath. You might find yourself panting after climbing a flight of stairs or after a short walk. This happens because without enough hemoglobin in your blood, your body struggles to get the oxygen it needs, making you feel breathless even with minimal exertion. Now let's talk about headaches and dizziness, our fourth symptom. Iron deficiency can lead to less oxygen reaching your brain. This lack of oxygen can cause pressure and inflammation in the blood vessels of your brain, leading to headaches. In severe cases, it can even cause dizziness and lightheadedness. Finally, we have heart palpitations. This is when your heart feels like it's beating too hard, too fast, skipping a beat, or fluttering. Without enough iron, your heart has to work harder to move oxygen-rich blood around your body. This extra strain can lead to irregular heartbeat, or the feeling that your heart is pounding in your chest. These are just the tip of the iceberg. There are many more symptoms to look out for. Moving on, the sixth symptom of iron deficiency is dry and damaged skin and hair. The body uses iron to create collagen, a protein that plays a crucial role in the structure of your skin and hair. When your body is iron deficient, it may not produce enough collagen, leading to dry and damaged skin and hair. You may notice an increase in hair fall, or your skin may appear dull and lifeless, lacking its usual glow. Next up, we have the seventh symptom, swelling and soreness of the mouth and tongue. An iron deficiency can cause inflammation or soreness of the tongue, also known as glossitis. In severe cases, it can even lead to angular cheilitis, characterized by painful cracks at the corners of the mouth. You may also notice changes in your taste buds, making certain foods taste different than they usually do. The eighth symptom to watch out for is restless leg syndrome. This is a strong urge to move your legs when you're at rest. It can be accompanied by uncomfortable sensations, often described as crawling, itching, or throbbing. You might notice this more in the evening or at night, which can disrupt your sleep. Researchers believe the link between restless leg syndrome and iron deficiency could be due to low levels of iron in the brain. The ninth symptom is brittle or spoon-shaped nails, a condition known as koilonychia. When you're deficient in iron, your body may not be able to support healthy nail growth, leading to thin, brittle nails that may even scoop outwards like a spoon. Last on this segment, but definitely not least, is the 10th symptom, frequent infections. Iron plays a vital role in supporting a healthy immune system. When you're low on iron, your immune system may struggle to fight off pathogens effectively, leading to frequent infections. That's half the list done. Let's continue to uncover the less-known symptoms. The world of iron deficiency is vast and complex, but understanding these symptoms can be a step towards maintaining good health, so stay tuned and keep learning. Next up, we have unusual cravings as the 11th symptom. Iron deficiency can often lead to a condition known as pica, where individuals have an intense craving for non-nutritive substances. These could be anything from ice to dirt or even paper. It sounds strange, doesn't it? But it's a real thing that happens when your body is crying out for more iron. Moving on to symptom number 12, we have cold hands and feet. If you've been feeling a chill in your extremities, it could be more than just a bad case of the winter blues. Your body, lacking in iron, might not be able to carry enough oxygen to your tissues, leaving your hands and feet feeling cold. So if those gloves and socks aren't doing the trick, it might be time to check your iron levels. Next, we have slow healing of wounds as symptom number 13. Iron plays a crucial role in the growth of new cells and healing of wounds. So, if you've noticed that your cuts and scrapes are taking an unusually long time to heal, it might be your body telling you that it needs more iron. Which brings us to our 14th symptom, poor appetite, particularly in children. When kids don't get enough iron, they tend to lose their appetite. So, if your young one is turning up their nose at mealtimes more often than not, it could be an indication of iron deficiency. Lastly, for this segment, we have anemia as the 15th symptom. Anemia, a condition where your body doesn't have enough healthy red blood cells to carry adequate oxygen to your tissues, is often caused by iron deficiency. It's like running a car with a nearly empty tank of gas. You won't get very far and you'll feel pretty run down. By now, you can see how varied and unexpected these symptoms can be. We're now at the last 5 symptoms. Number 16 is anxiety. An unexpected symptom, isn't it? But indeed, a lack of iron can lead to anxiety. Iron is essential in producing serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood. When there's not enough iron, serotonin production can drop, leading to feelings of anxiety. Moving on to number 17, we have depression. Similar to anxiety, depression can result from the low serotonin levels caused by iron deficiency. This powerful neurotransmitter not only regulates mood, but also sleep and appetite. When its production is affected by iron deficiency, feelings of sadness, lethargy, and a lack of interest in activities you once enjoyed may follow. Number 18 is difficulty focusing. The lack of iron can affect the brain's cognitive functions. Iron helps transport oxygen to our brains. Without enough iron, your brain may not get all the oxygen it needs, leading to concentration problems. So if you're having trouble focusing on tasks, it might not be your fault at all. It could be your body's way of signaling that it needs more iron. Next, we have chest pain at number 19. Iron is crucial in ensuring our muscles, including our heart muscle, function properly. When iron levels fall too low, our heart has to work harder to move oxygen-rich blood around our body. This extra strain can lead to chest pain or even heart palpitations. And finally, we come to number 20, heavy menstrual bleeding. Iron deficiency can cause heavy periods, and heavy periods can lead to further iron deficiency. A vicious cycle. Iron helps in producing hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen. When iron levels are low, the body may struggle to produce enough healthy red blood cells, which can lead to heavier than normal menstrual bleeding. Those are all 20 symptoms of iron deficiency. Quite an eye-opener, isn't it? So if you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it's important to seek medical advice. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding these symptoms is the first step towards better health. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned today. We've delved into the realm of iron deficiency, revealing the 20 signs that can highlight this common health issue. These symptoms range from the obvious, like fatigue and paleness, to the more subtle, such as difficulty concentrating or unusual cravings. Each symptom on its own may not be alarming, but when they come together, it's a signal that your body may be crying out for more iron. This is not something to be ignored. Iron is essential for your body's functions, from oxygen transport to supporting a healthy immune system. If you're experiencing multiple symptoms, it's crucial to seek medical advice. Don't let these signs go unnoticed. Early detection can lead to effective treatment and better overall health. Never underestimate the importance of being in tune with your body and understanding what it needs. Remember, knowledge is power. Stay healthy, stay informed,